make salted egg. Salted eggs are native to Chinese and Filipino cuisines. The process traditionally calls for duck eggs, but you can use chicken eggs when duck eggs are unavailable. You can consume the finished eggs alone after boiling them, but you can also use salted eggs as ingredients for mooncakes and other foods. Step 1. Wash and dry the eggs. Rinse the eggs under cool and running water. Step 2. Sterilize the container. Bring extra water to a boil inside a kettle. Step 3. Place the eggs in the jar. Carefully stack the clean eggs in the clean jar. Step 4. Boil the water. Step 5. Dissolve the salt. Gradually add the salt to the boiling water. Dissolve the full amount of salt. Step 6. Pour the brine over the eggs. The brine must cover the eggs completely. Step 7. Store the jar for 30 days. Step 8. Test the eggs. After 28 to 30 days pass, remove one egg and test it. You can test the egg raw or cook. Step 9. Rinse the eggs when ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.